Physical and mental health. Partners in wellness. Dr. Sherilyn Walker. When we think about physical health, we typically think of the absence of illness, how well our body functions and moves, and our ability to accomplish our day-to-day activities. According to the World Health Organization, mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes one's own potential, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to one's community. To achieve optimal wellness, it is important for us to focus on both physical and mental health. We cannot achieve wellness without this balance. Cardiovascular disease. Levine et al., 2021, studied the impact of mental health on cardiovascular disease. Poor mental health contributes to higher incidences of heart attacks, strokes, obesity, hypertension, and diabetes. The following factors were found to significantly increase the risk of heart disease: anxiety, depression, trauma and PTSD, loneliness and social isolation, chronic stress, psychosocial stressors, work, finances, relationships, inequities and disparities, anger and hostility. Positive mental health factors associated with wellness and a reduction in cardiovascular disease include optimism, gratitude, mindfulness, sense of purpose. Trauma. Psychological trauma impacts social, behavioral, cognitive, and affective functioning. However, there is also evidence that psychological trauma increases the risk of physical disease and illness. Research shows there is a dose-response relationship between adverse childhood experiences and disease, i.e., the more trauma exposure, the greater the risk of disease. Sleep. Mental health issues contribute to disrupted sleep. Not only does poor sleep exacerbate depression and anxiety, it also contributes over time to the development of physical disease. Poor sleep impacts physical health in the following ways: immune system impairment, obesity, hormone imbalance, cardiovascular disease, pain and inflammation. If you are struggling with your mental health, talk to someone. Seeing a therapist can be a vital component in your overall well-being. Wellness is not just about being free of disease or illness, it also includes your emotional, cognitive, and behavioral health. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.